please tell me your name and classes first of all before we go ahead with our interview session.
So my name is Dirvi Khanna and I am from 8th D.
My name is Anshika Raj and I'm from 5th E.
My name is Shreyash Tawakar and I am from 8th B.
Yeah, so congratulations to all of you. I'm completely blown away by the kind of work that you all have, portrayed here. And what I can make it out that everything is related to sustainable development goals. May I know what is the reason behind the focusing of all you three of you on all the digital paintings that you have created? Why is it SDG only? Why not something else?
So I think that nowadays people are not concerned about their earth. They think that if they'll not do something, so others will do. So by 2030, UN have told to complete these SDGs in order for a better future, which all of us need in order to be developed.
What are your thoughts and which is your main focus of SDG? Which out of the 17 SDG you want to focus and why?
Sir, I want to focus on the first SDG, which is no poverty. Many people all across the globe are poor and are homeless. They don't even have a roof to live under. That others are superior than them and they are inferior.
Excellent. I think this is going to cover up the gap between the developing and the developed nations. If they start sharing, then the very first SDG won't be there. No poverty we all are looking for, and very rightly said by her that she wants to cover up this gap. Okay, now we come to the single male figure over here. And what are your thoughts? Which is your favorite sustainable development goal and why?
Sir, I think renewable energy, because using of things like coal for energy is just taking out a resource which cannot be renewed and using it again and again. Coal can be made, but it takes billions and millions of years. And if we keep using coal for a longer time, there will be a time when there will be no coal in our earth, and we will do not have any energy to live on. And nowadays energy is a very important part of our life.
So there is a gentleman over here. He's talking about saving the resources, because this resource is going to be depleted at the end of the day. Then how the human resource and the other organism will survive? So absolutely fantastic meeting all three of you, and thank you, and keep promoting sustainable development goals. And may with your efforts the Agenda 2030 comes alive. So thank you so much for being there and joining us.